know I look a hot mess right now, but the intro is not about me, it's about the wig, okay? Okay, so just ignore this. We're gonna get it together when I come back with the wig on my head, alright?
Period.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, I'm Sakila. If you have not yet subscribed, I don't blame you. I look like a hot mess. But make sure you do subscribe because I clean up very well, okay? And also turn on my post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Okay, let's go. So, I have this wig right here from Afsisterwig. You already know the mother loving deal. My favorite hair company ever in life. So Luna sent me over this new wig. Now we're not gonna talk about what's inside the box because it's the normal stuff. Wig cap, adjustable strap, elastic band, combs, right? Cool. But we're gonna talk about this wig. We're gonna get into this wig. So they have a new method of putting the hair onto the lace, right? They do single strand knots instead of the double or triple, which is the thicker knots, yeah? And they also lightly bleach them. I know right now there are different kinds of these fake scalp wigs going around. I know her VV has one. The fake scalp where in the inside it's a wig cap that they've attached on there. But the difference between this and those ones is that with that one, yeah, it's still a wig cap in it, so it can just break, you know what I'm saying? And once it's breaking, you have to just go ahead and bleach your knots. But with this, because of the way they attach the hair to the lace, like, I'm gonna see if I can show it to you. Like, this is straight out the box. You see what I'm saying? Let me part it. I want y'all to see because I am blown away by this. I can't even lie to you. This is straight out. Focus. This is straight out the box. I don't know if you can tell, but like, it looks like scalp. It looks like scalp. And they come in, you can get it either as a frontal, you could get it as a 360. This one is a full lace wig. The one thing that I will say that I don't like, the only thing, is that this middle bit, like when you look at it, is like white. Like, nobody scalped that white. That's the only thing that I will say, is that I wish that this bit was the same color. I know that with full lace wigs they can't use the same, like they can't use this lace, the lace that they use her. But if it was just a closest color, it would be better. But other than that, honestly, wait till I install this. You're gonna be like, girl. And I'll be like, sis, I didn't really have to do much work. Like, it's pretty I don't know if I can show you. It's pretty pre-plucked. I'm gonna go off camera and pluck it some more, but maybe I should turn it the other way. But it's pretty pre-plucked. 4 combs, one in the back, one in the front, 2 on the sides, as well as the adjustable strap, of course. Like I said, it's a full lace wig. I don't use full lace wigs. So this is it. Like I said, I'm gonna go install it off camera, come back so you can see, and I'm probably gonna beat my face as well. So when I come back, I'll be a whole different girl, and then you can subscribe because you realize, like, oh, she know how to actually beat her face and how to lay her frontal. Like I said, don't mind this one. I've been sleeping without my scarf on for the last like 2 nights. So, but like, I mean, still, like, anyway, doesn't matter. Okay, bye. Alright guys, so this is the completed look of my hair. For whatever reason, I was having like issues with the frontal, like just it laying, which I don't know why. Like, it was just not working with me. So if it looks a little wonky, that is why. But other than that, the actual little knots and all of that, it's wonderful. I obviously, like I said, I plucked it, like I said, I plucked it more, yeah? But just in terms of this new technique of doing the frontal and the hair and stuff, I am a fan. 1000% I'm a fan. Like you saw earlier, you don't need to bleach your knots. Like, they just naturally look good. And what I always used to struggle with when I had my frontals is when I bleached the knots, the back half of the frontal wouldn't bleach. The front half would, because the knots were obviously smaller, but the back half would never take. But with this, I ain't gotta worry about that. Like, so I'm really pleased with how this turned out. Like I said, I didn't really straighten it, which is bothering me because it's not like silky. But that's because I didn't really feel like straightening it, but I didn't want to keep it in its natural state. So I just kind of lazily did a little something. But yeah, I will leave all the information for the hair, this specific wig, and all that good stuff will be down below. Like I said, this is a brand new technique, brand new technology, brand new method of creating a frontal and creating a wig and tying the knots onto the lace that Afsisterwig has discovered. And I hope that they, you know, start a trend and this becomes the norm, because not having to worry about all that extra stuff, I think, will prompt people to want to like get into wigs and stuff. Because I know some people don't want to do it because like they don't know how to pluck and they don't know how to bleach. Like I said, it did come pretty decently pre-plucked, but obviously the more you warm, the more you know that you want them to look a specific type of way. But I didn't have to bleach it, I didn't have to put no makeup on it, none of that. It just was great. So yeah, again, like I said, everything will be linked down below. Any information that I did not give you will be in the description box below. The website, the hair, specs, all that good stuff will be down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you know you won't be with me, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.